Computer sir, I heard that there is a pass statement in Python.
Haha, Meena. I will just explain it with an if-else example. Now I'll tell you about very interesting statement in Python, which is called a pass statement or a nothing doing statement. I will call it funnily nothing doing statement. So why such thing is required? Because sometime you want to give that for a particular block of code, there is a null statement required so that you can probably add some future code there. So this kind of statement is required when some kind of flow control is there. So code is simple. This A gets 10, B gets 11, and if A compared with B are same, then I am doing nothing. So this I will write as do nothing for this. This is called a pass statement. Else print this. So if I run this, very clearly it is showing this. Suppose I make them same. So this will go through this pass statement. So there is no output for that. And because there is no output, probably I can write some future code here. Both are same. I can write both are same. Okay. So that's why this kind of statements are useful for future addition of some code. So we must learn this kind of statements also. Pass statement, and it is defined by AI part of it that pass statement is a null operation. When it is executed, nothing happens. It is useful as a placeholder. So remember this word, it is just a placeholder because I can't leave a blank line after if. Okay. So this pass helps me there. When a statement is syntactically required but you do not want a command or code, okay. I am just trying one more interesting thing. Trying in front of you. Does pass statement work as an independent statement? In my opinion, yes, it should work and it does work. But here, in fact, for this place, even a blank line is sufficient. Right? But for this kind of place, blank line cannot be given. Is it allowed to be given? Let us see. So this is an error. Expected indented block after if statement on line 3. But so blank line cannot be given within this indented blocks. So that's why we have given the pass statement. Just to run it again, this pass statement is working properly. So if you want to ask anything further, please do comment. Please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.